Good day, everybody, and thank you for tuning in to Blacksmith Parts and Accessories. We have one of our new offerings now. It is the tuned downpipe for the Vanderhall 20 and 20 and up Venice and Carmel all platforms using a 1.5 turbo motor. This is not just a delete pipe. This is actually a tuned downpipe, gentlemen. It will work with the OEM without a tune. It will work with a custom tune. We always tell you guys custom tunes will always be better, because it's per vehicle, although we will offer tunes in the future, but they will be generic tunes. So like anything else, we do still prefer for you to go to a tuner to get it tuned for your particular area. But enough of that. The downpipe itself has both the bongs set up for your O2 sensors. It'll come with a replacement lower gasket, and then the 4 bolts. 2 bolts will go to your hose attached to your either our performance exhaust or the factory exhaust here. The outer 2, which go on the outer hose, will go to the factory mount that actually holds the cat to the motor. And also you will be reusing your V-band upper, your V-band flange gasket off the turbo, and your 2 O2 sensors. This does not come with the kit. This is reused from your factory kit. This is the only thing that comes with the kit. Once again, builds volume, keeps constant pressure, will build a little bit more boost. This is a performance downpipe. Do not get it confused with cat delete pipes. Now, you can run this in conjunction with a high flow cat if your state requires it, and still gain the performance gains of it. So figure out how your state wants to go about how they classify it, whether it's a motorcycle or a vehicle, and go from there. But this can be used in conjunction with a high flow cat, and we will offer that with our full exhaust systems in the future. And for the sake of not editing, because this is a little short one, we will do a separate video of the install. Let me run over real quick to one of our shop Vanderhalls and show you guys, once it's actually removed, the lower bracket here is what you're looking for to mount it to the outer hose. And as you see, we have our regular exhaust flex pipe flange down at the bottom. This was easy to take out. You will delete the heat shield that is normally sitting here. You won't have a need for that. And then your O2 sensors will plug into their regular perspective places. So back over, I hate running with the camera for you guys, but we want to do a quickie here. This is all you will need to perform that actual step. Downpipe hardware we can provide you with, and then the factory OEM. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. We run another video of it installed so you can hear it. And happy running and tuning of your Vanderhalls, and look forward to more product being offered by Blacksmith Motoring for your Vanderhall needs. As always, subscribe to our Blacksmith Parts and Accessories channel, and you can find links to purchase down in the description below, or visit stores.blacksmithpartsandaccessories.com. Once again, thank you guys for tuning in, and we will see you soon.